Roadmap to become an MLOps engineer. What does an MLOps engineer do? An MLOps engineer deploys, monitors, and manages machine learning models in production, ensuring they run reliably and efficiently. Where it's used, MLOps is used in AI-driven companies, data platforms, fintech, healthcare, and any organization using machine learning at scale. Start with the basics. Understand the machine learning lifecycle, from data collection to model deployment. Learn programming fundamentals. Master Python and basic scripting for automation. Understand machine learning concepts. Learn supervised/unsupervised learning, model training, and evaluation. Work with ML frameworks. Use tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Learn data engineering basics. Understand data pipelines, ETL processes, and data pre-processing. Master DevOps practices. Learn C/CD, version control, Git, and automation workflows. Work with containerization. Use Docker and Kubernetes to deploy scalable ML systems. Learn model deployment. Deploy models using APIs, Flask, Fast API, or cloud services. Focus on monitoring and logging. Track model performance, drift, and system health. Work with cloud platforms. Learn AWS, Azure, or GCP for ML deployment and scaling. Understand ML pipelines. Use tools like MLflow, Kubeflow, or Airflow for pipeline orchestration. Practice real projects. Deploy end-to-end ML systems with monitoring and automation. Be ready for challenges. Handling model drift, scalability, and production issues can be complex. Think like an MLOps engineer. Focus on automation, reliability, and continuous improvement. Deploy scalable AI systems. Start your journey today and become an MLOps engineer powering real-world AI applications.